Hello everyone, I just want to let you know that today's video is going to be in English for everybody to enjoy. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new Terminal 1 at San Diego International Airport. I just want to let you know that I'm very honored to be part of the team working on completion of the work at the new Terminal 1. This is a once-in-a-lifetime project for the city of San Diego, and it is exciting to see the project moving forward. On Friday, we hosted a gala to celebrate this milestone. It was a very successful event, and many of the artists who contributed to the program joined us. Their work is an important part of what makes this terminal very unique, and it was wonderful to see them recognized. As I told you, I was honored to be the person who's managing all the art program at the San Diego International Airport Phase 1A. Then on Sunday, we opened the door to the public for an open house. The turnout was amazing, with over 5,500 people visiting the new terminal. It was a chance for the community to walk through the building, see the progress, and experience the final finishes before the opening. The pre-opening for the terminal Phase 1A will be the night of the 22nd, when the first two flights will arrive. The official opening will be on the 23rd. The response so far has been overwhelming positive, and it shows just how much this project means to San Diego. I look forward to keeping you updated with the remaining of the Terminal 1A and also working on Phase 1B. When you visit the new Terminal 1, I want you to look at 8 things. Number 1, I want you to look at migration artwork by artist Walter Hood, connecting the sky to the land by 2 birds, their peaks into the ground. Number 2, I want you to look at rise artwork, or sometimes we call it the jellyfish, by artist Matthew Mazzotta, inspired by the purple striped jellyfish found on the coast of San Diego. Number 3, I want you to look at Torrey Pine artwork by artist Nova Zhang, honoring a very rare type of tree found only on San Diego and Santa Rosa Island, and this is the Torrey Pine trees. Number 4, I want you to look at the day and the sun, and this is the column mosaic. There are 6 columns celebrating the beauty of San Diego. Number 5, I want you to look at the Vessel of Light by artist Aaron Riddle. And this is a 208 light triangle suspended from the ceiling. It's a very unique artwork. This artwork actually interact with the stage below. Number 6, I want you to look at Sandcast artwork by artist Charles Faust, celebrating San Diego aviation history. Number 7, I want you to visit Time Interwoven artwork by artist Christy Peniston, simplify the human movement across the space. Number 8, I want you to look at the facade of the building. This is actually, we call it the luminous wave facade by designer James Carpenter. This facade actually designed so it can reduce the glare and the heat from inside the building. It's a very unique facade. One of the nice things about this facade that actually the shadow on the glazing itself, it changed from morning to afternoon to evening. What I just mentioned here, these are 8 very important pieces you must see when you go into the new Terminal 1. Many other places you can visit in the new Terminal 1. You have like a very beautiful concessions store there, but what I told you here, this 8 different pieces you have to visit: migration, rise, the Irwin artwork, the hanging triangle, Torrey Pine artwork, Sandcast. You have also Time Interwoven artwork. You have the luminous facade. So you have the column mosaic, really beautiful column mosaic. And by the way, I think I'm going to have another, I'm going to prepare another video, and I'm going to explain each one of this artwork in details, because like they are amazing. The process to create this artwork, unbelievable. Talking about the column mosaic contains over 1 million pieces of small glass mosaic. It's called Smalties. So that's why I have to have another video explain each artwork. I hope this video was useful to you. And please, if you have any question, just make sure to drop a question into the comments area. I will answer all your questions. And thank you so much for visiting. And see you in the next video. And goodbye.